Hey everyone, welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to upload photos on Squarespace. This is squarespace.com, and first I need to log in to my account. On this page, click on this website button below your desired website. Go to Pages. Click on the page you want to work on or to upload photos on. Click on this Edit button. Now select a section, click on this Add block, look for photo, click on image, and now click on this plus icon and select upload file. Locate your photo on your computer, wait a moment, and this is how to upload photos on Squarespace. If you want to become a pro on Squarespace, I recommend you joining my university today for free in order to get access to this Squarespace online course. Inside this course, you can learn many things, including how to get started with Squarespace, how to design and customize your website, also some advanced customization and features, how to optimize your website for mobile and user experience, how to manage and maintain your website, and also advanced tips and best practices. To get access to this Squarespace online course for free today, plus all of these online courses and also the upcoming free courses in my university, just go to university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's go back to our tutorial. If you want to upload multiple photos on Squarespace, first you need to upload them to your assets. To do that, click on Assets from this menu. Click on Upload. Select your multiple photos from your computer and click on Open. Now that both of these photos are uploaded to my assets, go back to your pages and redo the same thing. Click on Add Block, Add Photo. Now, instead of uploading a file, go with Select from Library. Select the photo you want to add first and click on Add. Redo the same thing, just like that. Replace from Library, and this is the second photo. And this is how to upload photos on Squarespace. Don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe. Thank you.